So the other thing I did is I went to Radio Shack and got this component cooler. It's really good on when you spray it directly onto integrated circuits and determine if the picture gets better, and if it gets better then it's usually related to a bad solder connection on that chip, or it is a bad chip altogether. In this case I didn't have that problem. None of the components were defective. What I've been able to determine is this top left corner, when you're looking at the set, this ribbon cable here is very, very sensitive. What I did is I went ahead and took some of this electrical rubber tape. It's not tape, it's actually insulation replacement. So when you take insulation off of wires, you can use it. It's thicker than tape. It's actually probably about 5 times thicker than regular electrical tape. I put one piece there over the ribbon cable to keep it from flexing and moving with regards to heat, expansion, and even touching it with my finger would set it off. What happens is that I guess the video controller is getting shorted out somehow when any kind of movement or whatever is wrong with this ribbon cable here. It's impossible to change. So basically I decided to put pressure on it with the tape, and I'll put it back together, and I think it's going to be working just fine. It's a very difficult problem. It's been kind of a nightmare. I've been working on this for about 3 hours now today, and 3 hours the day before, but I think I'm very close now to having this television functional again. And once again, the LCD is not the problem. It's this ribbon cable connection. The interface is between the top PCB right up here on the top and the actual LCD itself.